country full of colors and cultures, a country full of beautiful cultures. Vast region, multiple relations. Unity is a structure with high-end infrastructure. The peak of a Himalayas taught us to reach the top. The flowing rivers taught us not to stop. The father of our nation taught us to keep peace. The table of a Republic Day taught us to be a unique piece. This joyful festival brings a sense of belongingness. This Indian carnival brings a lot of happiness. This day to celebrate the victory of our nation, a proud moment for every generation. I stand on my feet and salute this emotion that every Indian has on this day of celebration. India is a homeland of celebration. These provide opportunities for people to come together and share their happiness.
Today is our day, meant for celebration. It's our 79th Independence Day. I am proud to be an Indian.
Yes, freedom. Freedom is a product of sacrifices done by great warriors.
But today, do we even value that? Do you know about the real terms of freedom?
Let's ask these youngsters about it. Can you turn down the volume, please?
Hey, what you all are celebrating?
Listen, what this guy is asking about.
What kind of a joke?
Don't you know that today is an Independence Day? Oh, so what is freedom for you?
This that we can eat, but we won't, we can sleep and do what we want.
Oh, only this is freedom for you. I think that when we got the reward of independence, and what is the actual meaning of it?
Exactly, let's show them. Flashback, scene 1.
Listen everyone. British government launched a new act.
No languages in English will be allowed, no public gathering, and use of regional language will be a crime. Be aware or else go to jail.
This is an attack on freedom of expression.
This act is an attempt to stop our freedom movement.
We will not quit.
We will not quit.
Year 1990, date April 13.
Many people gathered for a peaceful meeting and celebration, unaware of the dark clouds gathering over them. Flashback, scene 2.
This day filled with joy. The harvest is good in this year.
Yes, and it's good to be with family and friends.
Happy Vaisakhi everyone.
I heard there will be a speech about our rights.
It is important to stand together as a country.
We believe in all for one and for all.
This is illegal. Shoot everyone.
But this is a peaceful gathering. We are not harming anyone.
Leave us, for God's sake, leave us.
Silence. I only give order.
No one is without together.
We give you a warning. You didn't listen. Now face consequences.
My mother, where is my mother? I am lost.
No much you all will meet that today.
It's a shameful day for all of us.
This is a day will be written in the black pages of the history.
Hail the ground. Hail the ground. Fire, fire.
This is the spirit of liberty. Our freedom fighters have sacrificed their lives for our country.
But nowadays the situation has been reversed. Everyone is exploiting the freedom.
Scene 3.
Hello, Skinny.
Who are you?
Your trainer, Jane Sampat.
What rubbish? You can't talk to me like this.
What you will do? It is an free country. I can talk whatever I like.
Scene 4.
No, you broke a law. Oh sir, chief justice has managed to do. No, you pay to currency. Sir, this is to keep your calm. You can't do this. But I can't say this is a free country. I can say anything.
So you think this is freedom? Shame on you.
Is this the India which our warriors dreamed of?
Is this the independence for which Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose sacrificed their life
It's time to wake up now.
to follow fundamental duties?
Defend our country. Respect diversity. Educate yourself and be aware. Help everyone.
Follow rules.
Protect nature.
Vote wisely.
Let's celebrate the